Okay, let's try it again. The thing that hosts the TheEmpressgoth is outside. It's windy, and I was looking at my cosmos. Looks like they'll be coming up. I'm just checking out some plants that I had to remove and put them somewhere else. Yep, pretty much. But yeah, it's windy. My knees have been hurting. So I know we're going to get some rain for sure. I'm going to try not to cut off the picture. I wanted to share some more. What am I trying to say? Scarborough Fair. But it turned out the pictures didn't come out right. And the camera had stayed off accidentally and was going on in my purse. Well, basket that I had stuff in. So all you saw was the inside of my bag. Basket, that is. So we'll try again. But yeah, things are blowing around. That's pretty much. Yep. Oh my goodness. And my spinner is kind of spinning around a little bit, but the wind has been going on all day. I've watered stuff and plugged stuff as usual. Oh God. But yeah, and I've set my bucket out so I can catch rainwater, and there should be a bucket on this end. Who knows? There's a bucket on this end. I spent most of the weekend, like I said, breaking off dead stuff. I can't remove that. That's going to take like an axe, like I said. Yeah, I did that one. Yeah, it's been windy, windy, windy. Yeah, a lot of stuff I still got to do. But yeah, we got rains coming. And the wind is picking up. But yeah, my poor fern, I took it out the kitchen. It's just not enough light. And tonight, leftovers. Yeah, I'm the leftover queen. We do lots of leftovers. All right, we're going in. No. Use the raggedy couch. You got cats. You're going to have a raggedy couch. Hi, Sasha. Yeah, we still hadn't gotten the light area fixed. So I got a little lamp from the other bedroom to help out so I can see what I'm doing. But it's just leftovers for us tonight. But yeah, I'm hopefully, and I usually go out more than once to Scarborough Fair, so I hope to do better and longer pictures. But at the short reel that I did where Catherine and the King got married, my legs were tired. I couldn't even stand up anymore. I've been walking all day. Yep. And the cats got to go out today, and they had fun. They needed to. Sometimes you just get sick and tired of just sitting around the house doing the usual work, looking up this information and other stuff, jobs and all that other kind of stuff, which I do faithfully. Sometimes you just need a break. So we spent the day outside. I just watched them have fun. All right, that's it. Sorry my videos aren't that exciting. I wish they were. Oh, but we'll try to go to Earth Day. I'm planning on Friday. I'll take pictures then. A bit of variety. Thanks.